What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In today's video, we'll be working on my 2013 Toyota 86. So recently the brakes, the rear brakes started to squeal a little. I've installed Intima SR pads. The pads are really good. So there are a lot of roadworks in my area. So I was thinking there might be some tiny particles, like a tiny piece of stone got caught up inside the pads. So every time I brake at low speed, it's making a really high pitch noise, like a really annoying squeal. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off the wheel, take off the brake caliper, re-grease the pads and the piston, try to get rid of all the particles, foreign objects inside the like between the pads and disc, and see if that's gonna help our squeal problem. All right, let's get started. So what we're gonna need a 14mm socket, a 14mm gear spanner, just to make it easier. I'm going to use some copper grease to grease up all the metal contacting area. Be sure to torque those wheel lug nuts to 89 foot-pounds. So those lug nuts are so easy to strip. You're gonna have a lot of fun replacing them, so be sure to torque them and don't over tighten them. So the other side will be exactly the same, just two bolts holding the caliper, which are 14mm bolts. Put some copper grease to make sure they don't squeal. I just clean up all the brake dust. I think that might be the cause of the the squeal, because all those vents on the brakes, they just filled up with the dust. If you guys want to see a review on those Intima SR pads, be sure to comment down below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.